Welcome to Grundfos water treatment, where we produce world-class dosing and disinfection solutions. Together with your Grundfos sales representative, you will find the right fit range dosing skid for your challenge. Our engineered solutions go straight from the 3D drawing to our local production. According to these 3D drawings, the fully automated nesting center machine picks and mills the sheets. This technology guarantees sustainable usage, avoiding scrap. Why choose dosing cabinets over loose installations? Safety first. We provide you with high-class plug-and-play dosing skids that protect the user against splashes and dangerous chemicals, and also protect the pumps and accessories against external splashes of water or dust. All our fit range dosing skids are subjected to a leakage test by our qualified staff. Our fit range offers you the perfect model with 3 different materials for the pipes and fittings. The skids can be equipped with up to 3 dosing pumps with a variety of flows, from 1/100 of a liter to almost 1,000 liters per hour. Compared to a fully customized solution, the fit range comes with quicker delivery times and lower prices due to standardization, while still providing you with a lot of options.